Have you ever tried updating an app on your iPhone only to be asked for your Apple ID password that you don't remember? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to update your apps without entering your Apple ID password. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Available Updates section. If the app you want to update appears here, simply tap Update. If the update starts, you're done. However, if it asks for your Apple ID password and you can't remember it, here's another method. Exit the App Store and open the Settings app. Tap the search bar and type iPhone Storage, then open it. Wait for the list of installed apps to load. Find the app you want to update. For example, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Tap on the app, then select Offload App. Don't worry, offloading only removes the app itself while keeping your documents and data on your iPhone. Once the app has been offloaded, tap Reinstall App. Your iPhone will download and install the latest available version of the app. In most cases, your app data remains intact, and you won't have to set everything up again. And that's it. Those are 2 simple ways to update apps on your iPhone.